All right, today we're doing something a bit different. We're going to tear down a single product, but this isn't just any product. It's super specialized and, well, it's really expensive. And no, this isn't a product review. What we're trying to figure out is what a product like this tells us about the business of expertise itself. How much is knowledge really worth in a high-stakes field? So let's get right into it.
$9,499. Yep, let that sink in for a second. That's the price tag on the Chemical Engineering CFD Simulation Golden Training Package. So that's the big question for us today, right? What kind of problem is so massive, so critical, that a digital course can cost almost 10 grand? And maybe even more important, who on earth is buying this?
Okay, before we get any deeper, let's just make sure we're all on the same page here. This whole course is about something called computational fluid dynamics, or CFD for short. Now, what is that? Well, the easiest way to think about it is like a virtual wind tunnel, but for liquids and gases. It lets engineers see exactly how fluids will act, how they'll flow, mix, or heat up, all inside a computer. This means you don't have to build expensive, real-world prototypes. It's absolutely crucial stuff for everything from designing jet engines to figuring out how a chemical spill might spread.
So that brings us back to the big question. Who needs this kind of expertise so badly that they're willing to shell out almost 10 grand? Let's take a look at who this is actually for.
And what's fascinating here, when you look at the breakdown, is who the main buyers are. It's not really the individual engineers, the ones who'll actually be using it. Nope. The biggest slice of the pie is corporate decision makers. We're talking CEOs, managers, entire firms, and then academic institutes. The actual end users, the students and the new hires, they're only a small part of it. That tells you everything, doesn't it? This isn't being sold as just a course, it's being sold as a strategic investment. Think about it from a professor's point of view. For them, the value here is all about efficiency. You get a pre-built, industry-standard curriculum right out of the box. It closes that huge gap between what students learn in a textbook and the actual skills they need to get a job. For a university, that saves a ton of time and money they'd otherwise spend developing courses from scratch.
And what about those corporate leaders? For a CEO or a manager, this is all about one thing: de-risking. I mean, if you're in charge of a multi-million-dollar project, the last thing you can afford are delays because your team isn't trained properly. So a package like this, it promises to get everybody on the exact same page using workflows that are already proven to work. That's what gives a leader the confidence to say yes to those huge, groundbreaking projects.
And finally, for the engineers themselves, the ones actually doing the work, it's all about speed. Imagine being a new hire. Instead of spending, months fumbling around trying to learn a super complex piece of software, you can just jump into these tutorials and be productive from day one. It just gets rid of that painful onboarding period and lets you start contributing to important stuff right away.
Okay, so this all leads us to the real heart of the issue. Why does a market for something this expensive even exist? Well, it boils down to something really simple: the unbelievable cost of getting things wrong in this industry. Just look at this comparison. The old way? It takes months to get an engineer up to speed. The training is inconsistent, kind of depends on who you learn from, and all of that adds up to huge project risks and delays. The Golden Package basically positions itself as the antidote to all of that chaos. It's streamlined, it's expert-led, it promises faster, more reliable results. And when you think about it that way, the idea is that it saves a company way, way more than its $10,000 price tag in the long run. All right, so we've got the who and the why pretty well covered. So now for the big one, the what. What on earth is actually in this thing? What do you get for almost 10 grand?
Well, for starters, you get a lot. We're talking over 315 individual tutorials. So let's be clear, this isn't just one course. It's more like an entire digital library of hyper-specialized knowledge covering a crazy range of real-world problems.
And every single one of those 315 plus tutorials takes you through the entire process from start to finish. You start with geometry, which is basically building your digital 3D model. Then you do something called meshing. That's where you chop up the model into millions of tiny little pieces so the computer can actually analyze it. After that comes the solving phase, which is, well, it's the heavy-duty math part. And then you finish with post-processing, where you take all that raw data and turn it into visuals and charts that a human can actually understand.
And the range of topics here it's just wild. I mean, you've got everything from how to simulate an explosion at an oil tank to the incredibly complex physics of boiling water. It covers bleeding-edge stuff like hydrogen electrolyzers and biomass, but also the classic industrial problems like combustion or pipeline erosion. It really gives you a sense of just how deep this library goes.
But here's a really critical piece of the puzzle. You're not just buying a folder of video files. That price includes a full year of unlimited tech support from actual experts. You get 3 months of access to a supercomputer, what they call high-performance computing, so you can actually run these massive simulations. And really, what you're buying is the 15 years of consulting experience that the company has, all bundled up and ready to go.
Okay, so let's zoom out for a minute and think about the big picture here. What does a product like this really tell us about what specialized knowledge is worth today?
Because when you lay it all out, it's pretty clear they're not just selling information. Anyone can find information. They're selling a capability. They're selling a turnkey solution, a way to build an expert team almost overnight. The real value here isn't learning how to do CFD. It's about getting the speed, the competitive edge, and the innovation that having an expert team gives your company.
And that's the ultimate pitch, right? For almost 10 grand, what you're really buying is a tool to future-proof your entire team. It's an investment to make sure your people can handle not just the challenges you're facing right now, but whatever new problems are coming down the pipeline tomorrow.
So, that leaves us with one last thing to think about. This whole package is just a fascinating case study in how pure knowledge gets turned into a super high-value, sellable product. It's incredibly efficient, for sure, but it also puts a pretty steep price on expertise. So the big question I want to leave you with is this. If more and more specialized fields start doing this, what does that mean for who gets access to knowledge? And what does it mean for the future of